Today, I'm going to be showing you some functions on the new MedDRA Mobile Browser. When you log in, you're taken to the browser view. If you'd like to see the MedDRA codes alongside the MedDRA terms, go to Settings, Displays, and select Show Codes. To close the Settings menu, just click Settings again. Now we have the MedDRA codes alongside the MedDRA terms. To enter a search, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. I'm going to search cardiac. Click Search. It may take a minute for your results to come in. And now here are your results with the MedDRA terms and the MedDRA codes organized by level. I'm going to select the first PT and show you the three functions. The option on the right will give you more information about the term. The option on the left will give you the MedDRA term history. Here we can see that this term was added in version 18. The middle option is the MedDRA Go-To Browser function. This will highlight your term in the browser so you can easily map the term structure. Now, if you want to add a secondary language, go to Settings, Versions, and open the Secondary Languages menu. I'm going to add French as a secondary language. Now, here you can see we have two languages and the codes that we can easily search through. If you have any questions about functions on the MedDRA mobile browser, please let us know via social media or send your questions to our help desk at mssohelp@meddra.org.